Are there specific lenders that specialize in veteran mortgage programs? What a great question. Let's get after it. Hey guys, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans powered by Stride Bank. And what a great question we got the other day. Are there specific lenders that specialize in veteran mortgage programs? Well, the simple answer is yes. And thank goodness there are, because the VA loan is definitely one that has a lot of intricacies and a lot of different moving parts and a lot of different things that you really need to know. And the only way to know them is to specialize in them. So that's, of course, one thing we do here at National VA Loans, powered by Stride Bank, is we do specialize in VA home loans. Now, there are other lenders out there, and I'm sure you can think them by the name, that specialize in VA home loans. Now, I agree that like I said, it's a very good thing that these lenders are out there and that we all specialize, and this is our focus, is the VA loan world and the VA and the veterans that we serve. But I will say this: they're not all built the same. Okay, you know, we're not going to throw any names out. We're not going to talk about anyone in particular. We're not going to do that. We never do that here at National VA Loans. There's multiple reasons why, but we just do not do that. I think that anyone that's wants to work with veterans and wants to help veterans, I think, is a great thing. And I'm never going to slander or talk badly about anyone that does that. I just want you all to know that they're not built the same. Uh, we at National VA Loans, we try to keep our costs down. And the reason we do is because we want to pass any savings from keeping those costs down to you guys. As you can tell, our production value is not the highest quality. We do things right here in my office. This is the office I work out of every single day. This is my desk. This is where I live. I would spin you around the room, but you would probably, I don't want to make anyone sick from turning all over the place. But this is where we're at. So our production value is not, we don't spend millions of dollars every month to produce videos and things like that. You've probably not seen a ton of ads from us on social media or on YouTube or any of those things. Speaking of YouTube, youtube.com/National VA Loans. Guys, click subscribe. Please do. We love it. Everything we do is organic. We try to build up an organic base. Now, some people may ask, and we get this question a lot from not only from people that within our bank, but from people that we work with on a regular basis. Well, why don't you do more ads? Why don't you put more out there for advertisements or for paid traffic and things like that? And the simple answer is, we want to keep this as informational as possible to keep our costs down as much as possible, because that means we're able to pass those savings on to you. I can promise you this, that if you check us versus any of the others, you will see a significant difference in costs. And the reason being is we don't have a lot of those costs that a lot of other companies do, that you see ads from constantly, television ads constantly. They're everywhere, and we just don't have those costs. All that stuff costs money, and not a little bit of money. It used to cost a little bit of money. Now it costs a giant amount of money because the market is so saturated. And again, you want to work with professionals, and I can't, like I said, I can't speak for anyone else, but what I can tell you is that National VA Loans and Stride Bank, we only have loan officers and VA specialists here that have been doing VA home loans for 20 plus years. So we are very well versed. There's very few situations that we've seen that would surprise us. I mean, don't get me wrong. There's days where if I woke up, Christmas Vacation, my favorite movie out there, Christmas movie especially, maybe Die Hard, but anyway, Christmas movie, family movie, is if I woke up tomorrow with my head stapled to the ground, I wouldn't be surprised. Well, there's days like that, and that does happen. But for the most part, we've seen every different transaction. We've seen every different type. We've been through those fires, and we know how to come out on the other side. And we utilize that experience for you guys. So again, yes, there are tons of different lenders out there that specifically do VA home loans. And I shouldn't say tons. There's probably a handful of 10 or 12 that do specifically VA home loans. There's a handful that do them really, really, really well. And then there's very few that do them well and are able to save you a lot of money by utilizing and working with them. I'll let you guys use your judgment on that. But anyway, give us a call, 855-956-4040. Any of our VA specialists will help you. Of course, I'm always available. That's my best ability is my availability. So feel free to give me a call anytime. If you call that number and you want to talk to me, ask to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions I can, and let you also know that I'm real. This is where we work. This is us. I mean, we're not some fly by night. We're right here, and we're excited to help and work with all the veterans that we can. Now, if you are like me and you do like to get stuff done, check out nationalapplynow.com. Fill out the simple, secure, easy application. You can download it to your mobile phone or your tablet or your laptop or your desktop, depending on what you're using. I use all of those things. I think still I'm still a little bit 90s and I'm a little bit 2024. I mean, it's okay. So you can download it right there. You can complete the application in minutes and it'll come directly to one of our VA specialists. They'll give you a call. They'll go over all the different options that you have available to you. Of course, this is one of the most important ones. Again, this is why we do this. Check out youtube.com/National VA Loans. Click the subscribe button. I know we put one in here somewhere. I just never know where. Again, production value, right? So click that subscribe button. You can stay current with all the up-to-date information or up-to-date with all the current information. I like that better. Up-to-date with all the current information on VA home loans because it changes all the time, whether it be credit score, rates, things like that, it changes. So click that button, subscribe, and you'll get notified right away whenever we cut out and put a new video out. Again, guys, thank you so much for all your time, for all your watches. We love it, and we appreciate all of it. If you guys need us, give us a call, 855-956-4040. Till next time, guys, thank you for everything. Take care of yourselves, and God bless.